this message will find you when you need it the most. I'm praying that you receive it when you're overwhelmed with negative thoughts, fears, when you don't trust anymore. I'm hearing when you don't receive what you expect. You might be at a place right now feeling frustrated because you prayed a lot for your miracles to come. Let me tell you that you're about to receive. You're just in a period of chaos before order. The universe is now pulling back everything that you do not need anymore out of your system to make space, to make room for you to receive. First, you have to let it go. You might face an emotional turmoil right now. I'm hearing, try the path that you feel the most uncertain. Now, exploring the darkness. It was 144 when I was saying that. Explore what you are calling the darkness within. And your mission right now is to put some light into this darkness, negative self-talk, connected to a wrong belief system, I'm hearing. It might be connected to a trauma you carry from within, or just a curse on your family that is not allowing you to live your dream life. I am here today on your path, connected to the ocean, Mother Earth, and I'm going to help you fortify your minds. Trust the divine. Trust that the universe has your back more than ever right now. We're going to call upon the highest white light, diamond and golden liquid lights. Your breakthrough is here. Your blessing is here. It is just a test. Ultimate test. I'm hearing failure. You're scared of failure. You never received before, so you're doubting if it's going to come or not. Let me tell you that it will. You've been so patient. Now everything is collapsing for the sake of you receiving what you asked for. You're worthy of receiving. You are already married to the man of your dream, the woman of your dream. You have already received your financial breakthrough. The money is already on your bank account. You're already living in the house of your dream. You already have the partner, the friends that you're dreaming of having around you. Supportive person. You're already living in your desired country, city. You already have more than enough. You already have the physique that you are dreaming about. It is not a dream. It is now becoming reality. I am going to penetrate your Akashic record, connecting the past and the future in the present moment of now, allowing you to receive this blessing. Poseidon, Mintica, family, Atlantis, and I'm going to connect you to the giant crystal of Atlantis, making space for you to receive. Ia onora wa tara wa akatra kame estiri o turu ma atara esikitiki atara kuma tara wa tara o mata tara wa atara o mata o mata ia tara wa akatra kuma astara ia tara o mata ia tara amata ia atta ya atara amakatra esa wa ekatra wa sa ekara ande ia atara wa mbo wa ia ra wa ara ia ora ia nara ia tara wa katra wa nana ia tara. Something is leaving your system. Wrong belief system. Uplifting yeah, that's the truth. You grew up with a very wrong belief system connected to how you're supposed to receive. But you're just supposed to be yourself. You don't need to do more. You don't need to work hard. You're just supposed to remember that's the purpose of existing. You're supposed to remember that just by living your life, you're supposed to be abundant. Your purpose, your goal is to remove the wrong belief system by remembering how you truly are, your most authentic self, without the programming. There is some symbol, secret geometry that I'm seeing in my mind. Remember, remember kia o wara ia nara seraya. Remember kia o suruku tutukumara dere io noruwatra asa. Remember io wa. Remember you are ya siko torokuma adara niyo tsukuwa adara anusu susu kutukuma adara azrama io toro wa katrakia sa. Sikio norowa seria asking Mother Earth and Father Sky to nourish themselves with this energy. Transmute this energy into love, light, and truth. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Nothing can be destroyed. I'm hearing everything can be transmuted into another energy. Thank you for feeding this universe with everything that is not fitting your field anymore. What I said, I'm going to away. Sikam Natal, Sikio, what Niki Sikiari, energetic recalibration. May your breakthrough reach you now. Receive now everything you ever wished for. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. Until next time, namaste. Serious.